a really nice feature in Excel that lets us enter a series of text, numbers, or dates. And it makes things much quicker when we're entering information into our spreadsheet. Let's take, for example, months. Let's enter in first the month of January. And then next to that we'll enter in the month of February. And that is enough to tell Excel that this series of cells in this row are going to be months, and it's going to do like an autofill of the series. Now we see here when we select the two cells on the very bottom right corner, we see that there's a little black mark there. We see when our cursor goes over that little black spot on the corner of the last cell that's chosen, it turns into a plus sign. And if we go ahead and we drag across the row, we see that it's filling in. If we look at the bottom, it's filling in all of the months in the series, because January, February was enough to tell Excel that this is a series of months, and it should go ahead and follow the series as we drag across. So now we see in our sheet we have the column heads of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and if I keep going, it will continue to fill in the months, August, September, so on and so forth. So this is a really quick way of filling in a series, and it works the same way with numbers. Let's say I have a number here of 789, and the number below that is going to be 790. So we go, it already tells Excel, we select those two cells, and again we have this little black box here on the bottom where our cursor turns into a plus sign, and we go ahead and drag it down. It's enough to tell Excel that this is a series, and it should fill in all this series of numbers all the way down. So it makes it much easier when we're trying to fill in information into our spreadsheet. This automatic fill-in feature of a series of numbers or dates.